In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and delete a draft envelope in DocuSign. If you have an unfinished envelope saved in DocuSign and you no longer need it, deleting it is a quick and simple process. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to click so you can remove the draft without any confusion. Start by going to DocuSign and signing into your account. Make sure you're using the correct account where the draft envelope was originally created, since drafts are tied to the specific account you used when preparing the document. Once you're logged in, go to your DocuSign dashboard and select Agreement. This is the area where you can manage your envelopes and related activity. If your screen looks slightly different, that's normal, since DocuSign can update its layout from time to time, but the Agreement section should still be available from the main navigation. After that, find and open the Draft section. This is where DocuSign stores any envelopes you started but did not send. Opening drafts will show you a list of your saved draft envelopes, making it easier to review what's still pending. Now, look through the list and locate the draft envelope you want to delete. If you have several drafts saved, take a moment to confirm you've selected the right one before moving forward. This helps prevent accidentally deleting something you may still need later. When you found the correct draft, click the three-dot menu next to that envelope. This menu contains additional actions you can take for that specific draft. From the menu that appears, select Delete. This tells DocuSign that you want to permanently remove that draft envelope from your drafts list. Next, confirm that you want to delete the draft envelope. DocuSign may show a confirmation message to help make sure the deletion is intentional. Once you confirm, the draft will be removed. That's it. You've successfully found and deleted a draft envelope in DocuSign. This is a useful way to keep your drafts folder organized, especially if you often create multiple envelopes and want to clear out anything you no longer plan to send. Thanks for watching.